Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook dal. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 cup of split red lentils, 4 cups of water, 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Also, have on hand 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and salt to taste. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious and nutritious meal. Next, let's prepare our ingredients. Rinse the 1 cup of lentils thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes any impurities. Finely chop the small onion, mince the 2 cloves of garlic, and grate the 1-inch piece of ginger. Having everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. This step is crucial for a flavorful dal. Now for the cooking. In a medium pot, add 1 tablespoon of oil and sauté the chopped onion, minced garlic, and grated ginger until fragrant, about 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of cumin powder for 30 seconds. Add the rinsed lentils and 4 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat, cover, and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the lentils are tender. Finally, season your cooked dal with salt to taste. You can also add a squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness. Serve your warm dal with steamed rice, naan bread, or as a side dish. For a richer flavor, consider a tempering of ghee with mustard seeds and curry leaves. This versatile dish can be customized with various vegetables or a touch of chili for extra warmth. Enjoy your homemade dal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.